Section 3 actually feels like holiday. Like before it was like work, and now it's beach and palm trees. That's holiday.
I like parts of the road where you can see the ocean, you know, ride along the ocean or get up and see it from up above. More palm trees and coconuts.
The roads became a bit better, but still not 100% pavement. And the landscape is amazing. You don't feel the heat so much because the ocean always has a nice breeze, and it's rolling hills. It's very nice. For 6 weeks in one country, I think is great. And I have to say, it's much more amazing than I thought it would be.
Put aside your worries of dirt, grime, water,
and be open to the experience.
Be prepared to interact with people. Don't be afraid. Be the first one to wave or say hi or something like that, and you can get a whole conversation going, you know.
India is a world unto itself with vibrant colors, great food, great people.
So I'm happy I came.